Hello! In this video we are going to test AIS SART with the help of our tester MRTS-7M. Before starting, we will share some brief information about what AIS SART is and what kind of inspection it requires. So, AIS SART is designed to transmit AIS messages which indicate the position and also static and safety information of a unit in distress. And AIS SART has an integral position source like a GPS receiver, for example. AIS stations, when receiving the AIS SART signal, display the range and bearing to the AIS SART. Since the 1st of January 2010, AIS SARTs have been carried instead of search and rescue radar transponders on the vessels that are subject to the 1974 SOLAS Convention. AIS SART should be tested on annual basis to comply with performance standards. Besides, at least once a month, the AIS SART should be physically examined to ensure that there are no physical damages, the support cradle is intact and the battery expiry date is valid. IMO recommends to test AIS SARTs sparingly in order to prolong battery life, avoid misactivation or any confusion. If testing is carried out in port, the port authorities are notified prior to activation of the AIS SART. To perform the annual survey of AIS SART, an inspector should be equipped with a specialized test equipment capable of testing all the parameters of AIS SART, like we have today. To check the AIS SART in accordance with the performance standards, we use test mode. In this mode, the AIS SART broadcasts message 14 with the text SART test. The operation of AIS SART in this mode can be presented in the following sequence. There will be only one burst of 8 messages, 4 on each channel. The first and the last message of the sequence is message 14 with the text SART test. The rest messages are message 1 with navigational status set to 15, undefined. The test messages are transmitted in one burst after position. There the speed over ground, the course over ground and the time are available. If the AIS SART doesn't acquire the position, the speed over ground, the course over ground and the time within 15 minutes, it transmits anyway, but with appropriate default values. After the test transmission burst has completed, the AIS SART test facility will reset automatically. So we start the test. Pull out the tester's antenna to the maximum. Place the devices at a recommended distance of 3 meters. On MRTS-7M, enter the menu. Go to Test AIS, select Test AIS SART. Turn the AIS SART to test mode. All the instructions are given on the shell of AIS SART. To activate the test mode, press the button and hold it for 15 seconds. Now we have to wait for the message from AIS SART. As we said previously, it may take up to 15 minutes. Please consider when the measurements are taken in open air, the test results are received quicker, because then the AIS SART receives the coordinates from the satellites faster. OK, finally we received our results. And here are the nominal meanings we should consider when estimating the test results. Let's check the results. Here we have the message ID received, power and frequency meaning, and AIS SART MMSI. AIS SART, being an AIS transmitter, has a unique identifier, MMSI, in the format 970XY, where X is the manufacturer ID from 1 to 9 and Y is the sequence number assigned by the manufacturer from 0 to 9. Please note the MMSI of AIS SART is not recorded by the ITU or rescue authorities. Also, it is not tied to any particular ship. That's why it can't be considered as MMSI in the usual meaning. After the inspection indoor, we carried out the same measurements outdoor. The results were received faster. Well, our inspection is over. And we can conclude that this AIS SART corresponds to all performance standards. To save the measurements results, press F2. Don't forget to download the results to your desktop and generate the test report to provide it on board. You may print it immediately or save it in doc or PDF format. That's all. We believe that this video can support you if you may face some questions about testing of AIS SART. Also, you may find other video guides on how to test different types of equipment with the help of MRTS-7M in the presentational playlist. So have a nice day. Bye!